Welcome to Math and Me. This video we are going to express the fractions with a single denominator. Let's start. Look, here is three terms. One is 8x square plus 18y square divided 4x square minus 9y square, then something minus something plus. We will read later, but we want to start now. So this one, first term, what can we do? We can, this 8x square plus 18y square we can keep as it is, okay, and here is denominator 4x square minus 9y square. This one we can write 2x square, then here is minus 3y square, and here is second term minus 2x plus 3y divided 2x minus 3y, then third term plus 2x minus 3y divide 2x plus 3y. So what can we do now? Look, here is 2x square minus 3y square. It means it's looking a square minus b square. So this one we can write like this, 8x square plus 18y square, and this one we can write 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, this one first term. Second term we can just keep as it is, 2x plus 3y divided 2x minus 3y. Third term plus 2x minus 3y, then 2x plus 3y. Okay, so our target is single denominator make. So here is three term. Once we are doing LCD, we need to LCM. So here is LCM is 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y, here is 2x minus 3y, and here is 2x plus 3y. So our LCM is common thing and uncommon thing combined. So 2x plus 3y divided 2x minus 3y. Okay, so once we divided this one by 2x plus 3y minus 2x minus 3y, so it will become 1 multiply 8x square plus 18y square. Okay, this one done. Minus, so here is 2x minus 3y. Once we divided from 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y, we just keep what, 2x plus 3y whole square. Okay, because 2x minus 3y out, plus here is also same, 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, now look, here is 2x plus 3y divide 2x minus 3y. So here is 8x square plus 18y square. So here we can just do a plus b whole square. So it will become 2x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y square. We are doing here a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. No need writing this one inside math, just we want to this one for understanding. And here is plus, so here is 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y square. So this one also same thing, a minus b whole square, it means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, it's for understanding. So what are we doing now? Here is 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. So we can write here 8x square plus 18y square minus, so here is 2 square means 4 and x square means x square, so here is minus, so it will become 4x square, and here is 2 2 2, it means 2 times 2 means 4, 4 times 3 means 12. So here is 12 but we cannot mention minus plus. It will become minus, because plus and minus, it will become minus. So here is, so this one will not plus, it will become minus, because here is plus and here is minus. So minus 4 and 3, it means 4 times 3 12xy, and here is plus, so it will become minus 9y square. Okay, and here is plus 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. Okay, so now what can we do? Look, here is plus y square. So plus y square we can omit by minus y square, and here is plus 4x square, and here is minus 4x square. Okay, so this one out. So our balance one is, here is 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y, and numerator is what? 8x square, then plus 18y square, then here is minus 12xy and minus 12xy, it means 24xy. Okay, hope you understand this one. So this one we can do next page. So now here is 8x square plus 18y square minus 24xy. Here is common thing is 2. So if we take common, here is 2, it will become 4x square, and here is, we can write minus 12xy, just synchronize this one, and here is plus 9y square, and here is 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, now look, this one we can make like a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. How? These two, and this one 4x square we can write 2x square, it's like a square minus 2ab, 2 means 2, a means 2x, b we need at least 3y, so it will become 3 times 2 means 6, 6 times 2 means 12, x into y means xy, and here is b means 3y square. Okay, and in denominator 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Okay, now look, here is 2x plus 3y divide 2x minus 3y, and here is 2, and this one we can write 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, now look, here is 2x minus 3y whole square, and divide also we have 2x minus 3y, so we just cut this one, and balance one is, here is 2x minus 3y. So our answer is like this, 2 into 2x minus 3y divided 2x plus 3y. Look, it's become a single denominator. Single denominator. What is the spelling of denominator? D-E-N-O-M-I, then N-A-T-O-R. Okay, this is our answer. Thank you very much being with me. This is very important math. Any kinds of algebraic matter, and our topics is indices and algebraic manipulation. We are following mathematics 3. It's for O level. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe the channel.